Hello friends, today genetics important objectives test. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you are watching my genetics videos continuously, it will be very easy for you to answer these questions. These are some sample and important objectives, how they will ask questions from cytogenetics, okay? And these are also important questions. 4 options are given. You must choose any one of them from these questions, okay? Answer for these questions. Who coined the term genetics? Who coined the term phenotype and genotype? Coming to the answer, the term genetics was coined by William Batson in 1905. The term genotype, phenotype, gene, this every terms was coined by Johnson. Option A, Johnson, okay? For first question, option D, and second question, option A. Then, double helical structure of DNA was given by. I had made video for double helix structure of DNA. You can watch it also. And another next question, who proposed the pre-formation theory? Coming to the answer, double helical structure of DNA was given by Watson and Crick. Okay, they got Nobel Prize for this. And pre-formation theory was proposed by Swammerdam and Bonnet. Okay. Next questions. Theory of acquired characters was proposed by. Who proposed theory of acquired characters? Next, germplasm theory was given by. Coming to the answers, the theory of acquired characters was proposed by Lamarck. Okay, very important question. And germplasm theory was given by August Weismann. Option A, Weismann. Okay. Please take a note on this. Okay. It will be helpful if you take short notes. Which one of the following is a map unit used to describe the distance between two genes on a chromosome? Units also you must learn. It is very important question too. Write down the answer. Next, alternate form of gene is known as. Okay, coming to the answer, the map unit used to describe the distance between two genes on a chromosome is centimorgan, okay, cm. And alternate form of gene is known as allele. Alleles are the alternate expression of genes, okay. That is, meiotic division of one cell gives rise to how many haploid cells, okay. It is a very basic question. If you know the definition, you can answer. And which of the following event occurred during metaphase of meiosis 1? These two very important. If you didn't watch mitosis and meiosis video, please watch it. Coming to the answer, meiotic division of one cell gives rise to 4 haploid cells, and during metaphase, arrangement of bivalence at equatorial plate takes place, okay, during metaphase of meiosis 1. And meiosis leads to the development of what? Okay, and mitosis takes place in 4 options are there, you can choose. Coming to the answer, meiosis leads to the development of gametes. Actually, meiosis is sexual reproduction, and mitosis takes place in both A and C, that is megaspore and pollen. It is a asexual type of reproduction, mitosis, okay, must be clear. Next, length of G1 phase in Vinca faba. It is very important question. Write the answer. And in mitosis, these which of the following does not takes place? Okay, that is a question. Coming to the answer, the length of G1 phase in Vinca faba is 12 hours. Okay, option D. And mitosis does not provide opportunities for all of these. That is segregation, recombination, and crossing over does not takes place in mitosis. These 3 events takes place only in meiosis, okay. And which of the following provides genetic information for cell function? Answer is nucleus. Nucleus only provides genetic information for cell function, okay. Next, puffs are observed in which chromosomes? If you didn't watch special types of chromosomes video, you can watch. It's available in our channel. Answer for this is puffs are observed in polytene chromosomes. Clue is PP, puffs, polytene chromosome, okay. And loops are observed in which chromosome? This also you can watch other videos in our channel. Answer for this is loops are observed in Lamb-Rush chromosomes. Okay, LL. The packaging of food material is associated with which cell organelle? Answer is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are only associated in packaging of food materials. And another important question, a chromosome with the diffused centromere is called? And next question, structural changes of chromosomes are occurred due to dash of the chromosomes. 4 options are there, you can choose. Coming to the answer, the chromosome with a diffuse centromere is called as holocentric chromosome, and structural changes of the chromosome are occurred due to breakage and reunion of the chromosome. Both breakage and reunion takes place. That's why structural changes occur in chromosome. Okay, that is structural changes. You know what are they? Coming to the shape of the chromosome, which is the shape of the chromosome at anaphase for acrocentric chromosome? In acrocentric chromosome, what are the shape of the chromosome? And shape of the chromosome at anaphase for telocentric chromosome. Coming to the answer, that is acrocentric chromosome in anaphase looks like what na? J shape. Okay, and telocentric chromosome at anaphase look like rod shape. Okay, acrocentric J shape and telocentric rod shape. And what is the shape of metacentric chromosome at anaphase? Next question, what is the shape of submetacentric chromosome at anaphase? Coming to the answer, the metacentric chromosome at anaphase looks like V shaped. Okay, and submetacentric chromosome at anaphase looks like L shaped. Okay. In 1882, Lamb-Rush chromosomes were firstly examined by? 4 options are there. Choose any one of the scientists. Answer is Fleming. Okay, he only first examined the Lamb-Rush chromosomes in 1882. Okay, and aneuploidy refers to? Choose any of the options. Next, an individual lagging one chromosome from the diploid set is referred as, that is 2n-1. Aneuploidy refers to all of these, that is trisomic, monosomic, nullisomics, everything comes under aneuploidy. Okay, an individual lagging one chromosome from a diploid set is referred as? Answer is monosomic, 2n-1, that is monosomic. Okay, you must read that formulas very well, 2n-1, 2n-2, okay, because many questions will be asked. And B chromosome is also known as, what is the other names for B chromosomes? Choose the answer. The answers are, B chromosome is otherwise known as accessory chromosomes, supernumerary chromosomes and extra chromosome, all of the above. That is 2 ends of the chromosomes are known as, that is what is the end of the chromosome is known as? Answer is telomere. Telomere is a 2 ends of the chromosome is known as telomere. Okay, I already said these are important. That is monosomics are represented by what? Double monosomics are represented by what? If you know the monosomic, you can write double monosomics. And trisomics are represented by what? Coming to the answers, monosomics means that is loss of one chromosome from the diploid set, that is 2n-1. Okay, double monosomic means that is double of the monosomic, that is 2n-1 minus 1. Okay, and trisomics means addition of one chromosome in a diploid set, that is 2n plus 1. Okay, very easy to study this. And please take a note on this. Short questions will be asked from these. Okay. And double trisomics means, you know, trisomics means 2n plus 1. Okay. Then double trisomics means 2n plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Option B is the answer. Okay. Next, tetrasomics means 2n plus 2. Okay. Terminal deletion involve chromosomal breakage at. Next, intercalary deletion involve chromosomal breakage at. If you didn't watch videos for deletion, you can watch in chromosomal aberrations part 2 video. Terminal deletion involves chromosomal breakage at 1 point. Intercalary deletion involve chromosomal breakage at 2 point. Okay, please be clear in this. You can watch pictorial representation in chromosomal aberrations videos. Inversion leads to change in, okay, and translocation leads to change in what is a gene sequence or gene number or gene structure, okay. And exchange of chromosomal segments between non-homologous chromosomes is termed as. Both inversion and translocation leads to change in gene sequence, okay. And exchange of chromosomal segments between non-homologous chromosome is translocation. Okay friends, that's all about today's video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. And if you didn't watch previous videos, please watch. Telegram channel link is in description box. You can join in that. And command your queries in comment section. And please share the videos to those friends who are preparing for the exams. Thank you.